Hi everyone, first let me introduce myself. My name is Juliana Putri, daughter of the MN23 class. Here I will explain about the importance of environmental conservation in today's society. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about a topic that affects us all, regardless of our geographic location or social-economic status. The importance of environmental conservation in today's society cannot be overstated. As we continue to fight climate change, population, and resource depletion, it is important that we understand the importance of preserving our planet for future generations. So, what is environmental preservation? Environmental preservation it is the wise management and utilization of natural renewable resources in a sustainable manner to ensure the maintenance of biodiversity. Environmental preservation is very important to society. First of all, namely to maintain biodiversity, the loss of species and ecosystem can have a detrimental impact on the balance of our ecosystem. For example, reducing the number of pollinator search bees and butterflies can have a significant impact on food production and availability. Additionally, the destruction of natural habitat can lead to species extinction, which can have long-term and irreversible impact on the environment. Then, the second only is that environmental preservation is very important to ensure the sustainability of our research in the long term. Overexploitation of natural resources such as air and mineral can cause scarcity and economic instability. In addition, the decline in soil quality and loss of land on the outskirts of cities can have a significant impact on agricultural productivity and food security. So what are the impacts of human activities on the environment? The first is burning fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels such as oil and gas can cause greenhouse emissions which contribute to climate change. This can have a negative impact on the environment such as increasing the earth temperature, reducing air quality, and threatening the survival of living things. Secondly, there is deforestation. Deforestation can cause deforestation, reduction biodiversity, and threaten the habitat of various species. This can have a negative impact on the environment, such as reducing the oil's ability to absorb carbon, increasing greenhouse gas emission, and threatening the survival of living things. The last one, namely population. Population can take the form of air, water, and land population. Air population can cause health problems such as asthma and eye irritation. Water population can reduce the quality water needed by living creatures. Soil population can reduce soil fertility and threaten the survival of living things. All types of population can have a negative impact on the environment and living things. In order to preserve the environment, it is important to reduce excessive consumption of natural resources, develop natural resources, maintain flora and fauna, and reduce population. In this way, we can keep the environment clean and healthy. You can see in the picture, this is an example of air population, land population, and also air population. Then, one step so we take to protect our environment. As we progress, it is important for us to adopt sustainable practices and technologies to mitigate the impact of climate change. This includes switching to renewable energy sources, reducing waste and population, and implementing sustainable agricultural practices. Additionally, government and companies must work together to develop and enforce the policies that protect the environment and promote sustainable development structure. The importance of recycle and waste management. Recycle and efficient waste management are key to reducing waste and minimizing negative impact on the environment. So, how important is our role as individual in preserving the environment? Ladies and gentlemen, our role as individuals in preserving the environment is very important because every individual plays an important role in preserving the environment. Small action by each person can have a significant impact. The government also play an important role in this matter. Government and companies must work together to develop and enforce the policies that protect the environment and promote sustainable development. The importance of environmental preservation in today's society is an argument problem that requires immediate attention. By understanding the impact of human activities on the environment and implementing sustainable practices, we can ensure the long-term sustainability of our research and maintain the balance of our ecosystem. So we can close environmental preservation is the shared responsibility of all of us. We need to realize that a healthy and sustainable environment is the key to a good life for us and future generations. By taking simple and sustainable action, we can play an important role in preserving the environment. I think that's all I can say. I'm sorry if there are a lot of the word pronunciation error in the delivery. Thank you guys for your time and attention. See you again next time.